Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable vibrations on silence mode over on your iPhone. So when you have your iPhone on silence mode but you are still getting vibrations every time you're getting a message or a call, then here's how you can completely disable this when you have silence mode enabled. So all you need to do is head over to settings on your iPhone, and then you need to scroll down right here till you find sounds and haptics. And literally then all you need to do is click on haptics right here. And then we can see haptics for ringtones and alerts. You want to make sure that it's either enabled on don't play in silence mode or just never play. If you have never play enabled, it will never play haptics, even though you may have silence mode disabled. However, if you just click on don't play in silence mode, then you will get haptics when silence mode is disabled. So I think this is the best fix for everyone out there that is having these issues and that want to fix this. So that's how you can disable vibrations on silence mode on iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.